Welcome to an advanced open-source discounted cash flow valuation system. Today, we'll explore how this tool fetches real-time data and applies intelligent valuation metrics to assess whether an asset is undervalued or overvalued. First, we pull tickers from a designated exchange, whether it's NASDAQ, NYSE, SP 500, or Dow 30. The system loads the corresponding ticker list from our database, ensuring we're working with up-to-date market data. Once a stock is selected, historical price data is fetched using Yahoo Finance. This enables our system to analyze long-term trends, capturing price movements from the year 2000 to the present day. Next, we compute the average growth rate by analyzing price changes over the past 10 years. By examining monthly returns, the system determines a reliable estimate of a stock's historical growth trajectory. To determine the cost of equity, we factor in risk-free rates, market performance, and the stock's volatility. By applying the capital asset pricing model, we derive an essential metric for evaluating a stock's required return. WACC, or weighted average cost of capital, plays a critical role in valuation. By combining equity and debt costs, we arrive at the discount rate used to determine an asset's fair value. Using projected cash flows, we discount future earnings to their present value. This step is essential in determining whether a stock is currently undervalued or overvalued. This open-source valuation system brings algorithmic precision to investment decision-making. Whether you're a retail investor or a financial analyst, this tool provides deep insights to navigate the market confidently, clone, contribute, and enhance this project. Real-time insights and AI-powered valuation. Thank you.